Hello and welcome to another video from Melton IT. I'm David Dresner. Microsoft are currently rolling out Copilot Actions, a new feature that allows you to delegate repetitive tasks to save you time to do more important things. For example, if you regularly need to summarize your Teams meetings, your email, your Teams messages on a particular topic over a particular period of time, then you can set up an action for Copilot to do this for you. Copilot Actions fall into three categories: catch up, gather, and prepare. Catch-up action summarizes things like emails, Teams chats, or meetings, so you don't have to read everything yourself. Gather actions help you collect information from others without the hassle. It can send messages to people asking for information, such as project updates or feedback. It keeps track of who has responded to your requests and even sends reminders to those who haven't. Lastly, prepare actions gets you ready for upcoming tasks or meetings. It pulls together information details from emails, chats and files so you're fully informed and up to date. Create an action by selecting the icon on the left rail of the Microsoft 365 homepage. Select the Create tab and click one of the Copilot Action category cards: Catch Up, Gather, or Prepare. In this case, I'll click the Catch Up card. I want Copilot to summarize all my comms from email, Teams messages, and meetings relating to Copilot training in the last week. I also want to be notified in an email, but can select Teams messages or Word document. For some actions, I can choose to have the action repeated automatically, and it will run for up to 30 days. Click Preview to see all the steps that make up this Copilot action, and then click Create to create it. The action is now active and running. Copilot scans all the sources you specified, and after a while will return a response in an email or Teams message, or even in a Word document. An email notification is received notifying me that the action has been successful. The email also contains Copilot's response in a loop component complete with citations. Let's look at another example using a different template that Microsoft have provided. Let's say that you are a project manager and you have team leaders reporting to you and you want them to provide you with a status update. Create a Microsoft Copilot action to gather this information and then report back to you. Click Discover Templates to access more actions. In the Gather category, select the template that most closely fits your needs. For example, gather monthly newsletter updates. Enter the names of the people you want to update from. Note, this action does not support external or guest users. Add your request, such as provide a status update, and set the deadline, time and date. Copilot will send a reminder 3 hours before the deadline is due. Click the Preview button to see the steps of the action. You can edit the message that will be sent to the action recipients. Click Create. Copilot will send a Teams message on your behalf to the designated recipients with the information you provided. This message will appear as a workflow card in your existing one-to-one Teams chat with each recipient. The recipients can complete the requested task directly in the workflow card, and you will receive updates on the status of your task. After gathering all the responses or reaching the deadline, Copilot will compile the data and provide a detailed report outlining what was collected and who responded. You can manage your actions and make some changes to the active actions by selecting the Manage tab in the Actions app. Scheduled actions waiting to run appear under Active Actions. You can choose to run these again immediately without affecting their schedule run, or you can turn them off, or you can delete them. Note, in the Manage tab, you can also see Schedule Copilot prompts, which we'll talk about in another video. So there you have it. Copilot Actions in Microsoft 365 allows you to delegate tasks to Copilot, freeing up time for you to do more important things. Until the next time, goodbye. If your organization is ready to harness the power of AI and redefine modern work with Copilot and Microsoft 365, contact me today to discuss your training needs and empower your team to excel in a digitally transformed workplace.